stuff at work there. There. Inside leg, do a big circle now, halfway up. Okay, do a big half of the arena circle at this end. Inside hand up, shoulders back. You lean into the outside. One more time. This time, go from K across the diagonal. Yeah.